YouTube, Daniel with Budget Experiments today. We actually have an experiment and a camera person. Hi, camera person.
Hi.
This is the stuff we have. This is the stuff we have. We have Peeps. Peeps! Ah! Marshmallow Peeps. Not a fan. I don't like them myself. Not really like them myself. So we're going to do some experiments that aren't necessarily safe. These are not safe for doing experiments, but they're interesting. I just want to see what happens if you burn them and do a couple other things with them. So let's get started. Why not? We're going to burn some with a lighter. So, I got a lighter here. Let's see what happens when you burn. Let's just, This lighter works. This is a $1 lighter, and these are 10-cent Peeps from a surplus store. Let's burn it. Burn it. Evil. Let's play with fire. Do not try this at home. Do not burn Peeps at home. They boil. As you can see, they're flammable and they boil. And they're really loud when they boil. I hope this plate doesn't crack from thermal shock. But as you can see, they burn and turn into a black sludge. Well, that was obvious, wasn't it? But the fact that they're flammable is kind of interesting. It is kind of an interesting... what's the word? They stink. They smell like burning wood or something. I don't really want to touch it on the plate. But the plate is here for that reason. So, that is what happens when you burn a Peep. It actually makes boiling noises really loudly. It's just like... Yes, it's exactly what a burning Peep sounds like. So, let's move on to the next experiment, shall we? We're back in the kitchen, guys! Well, back in the kitchen. I've never been in the kitchen before. Actually, I cook in the kitchen. But, look! It's a pan! Well, we're using it as a pot. Let's see what happens when we try to boil. Boil? I don't really know if that's the word. Let's take a couple Peeps. Drop in here. See what happens. They're probably going to set fire. So, we have a lid here to cover it, put the fire out if we need to. Safety is #1 importance in this. So let's go. Boop. Let's turn it on. Put it on high. This is a crappy pan. Well, I mean, we use it, but it's replaceable if we need to. So let's see what happens, shall we? Do. Let's just sit here. Nothing yet. But it hasn't been that long. It hasn't even had time to heat up. So let's just see. Well, it's starting to make a scent. I smell it. Something smells, at least. But I don't know what that smell is. I don't know. Maybe I should spray the pan a little bit. See if it. I could try boiling it in water and see what happens too. Like a thin layer of water. I don't know. It's tempting. Oh, smoke! I see smoke! Stinky. Hefty. Well, not hefty. Just stinky. So I need... I don't know. A spatula? Tongs? Oh! Oh! They're rocking. They're rocking. I'm gonna heat down to 7. Excuse me. You want me to erase this? Okay, that's just fire hazard. Not advised. They are charring on the bottom. They're also off the heat now, but they're making a lot of smoke. Very smoky. And because of the smoke, the fire alarm might go off, which means you'll hear beep beep beeps. And those kept us up last night. Those were no fun. But as you can see, there's black and brown. Just all over that. I don't know how you can see that. Just black and brown all over that, like chocolate. Ah, it's sticking. Very sticky on bottom. Here's the bottom. Ah! Well, here's the bottom. The bottom of the Peeps. That was kind of expected as well. Let's try boiling them next in this pot. think you're supposed to use these rubber rubber things in here. Oh, that's just a smoke hazard. Dang. Don't go off. You go off, I'm pieced. Be pieced off. Yeah, I joke. Yeah, so I can hear you talking. I am putting water in this pan now. Let's try boiling it, shall we?
Brown water.
It's brown water. I'll turn it too high this time, though. Oh, well, they broke apart in the water. So that's the bright side. Cleaning this pan's not going to be fun. But at least it doesn't have a Teflon bottom. Teflon bottom would have been bad, guys. So yeah. This is the gunk. I have to restart the recording every so often because my camera cuts off recordings at a certain length. I'm not sure what the length is. Let's see what happens. It looks disgusting, guys. You just see these little peepee chickies swimming around in this brown water. It looks like poo water. Ew. That's gross. Imagine they melt in boiling water. Let's put a fresh one in there too. You know what? No, let's wait for it to boil, then drop this fresh one in. Let's just see what happens. Zoom in. No, zoom in's not working all that well. It's starting to boil a little bit. I can't really zoom in, guys. I'm trying this new stand my brother gave me, which actually is very helpful because I don't have a mini tripod, and I need one. It's starting to boil the water.
It's exploding.
There's a peep that's exploding. It's kind of creepy. This is what happens when you boil marshmallows. They inflate. I'm scared. I'm actually scared. I dropped it on the floor. That was a fail of epic proportions. So when you boil Peeps, they blow up. And that's a bad, because they could explode. So boiling Peeps is also a rather weird experience to see. Just wait for it to finish the boil. So as a little comparison, as you see, the two fat ones over here are the ones that were in the pot for a while. They cooked a little bit first, then they blew up. I threw the third one over here that's smaller, the small one over here in the corner, and it didn't blow up much, but it actually did blow up and burn pretty badly. So we ought to sit that to the side and continue with our third experiment and final experiment. Oh, it's kind of warm over here. Alright guys, it's about time for the third experiment. I have a plate, the same plate from earlier. There's Camera Girl. Camera Girl! That's my superhero name. She's going to help me because I am one-handed right now. And she's going to pull off two Peeps. Pulling off two Peeps. Ah. And she's going to take them. Ah. Put them on the plate. And then we shall stick them. Do you know where? Did I say? I don't know if I said. In here! The microwave. After I take the cover out. Not very smart. So. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to put it in there for 30 seconds. 30-second intervals. See what happens. Flip the camera over. For 30 seconds. You guys can't see in there at all. So, because you can't see in there, I guess that means there's only one option, guys. The only option is to wait and see what happens after 30 seconds. This microwave is not meant to be visible on the inside. So, it's unfortunate, but there's nothing I can do about it. So, 3, 2, 1, beep. It beeped. Oh my god. They are fat. They have grown such big. I know you can't really tell, but they are much big. Much big. So, let's give them another 30 seconds and see what happens. Just 30. 30 more. Let's go. Whee. Wow. 30 more seconds. Let's do it. Look at this. And here's the remnants of the other Peeps. Just dead. They're dead inside. They're dead. What are you doing? Stop! Stop eating the Peeps, you nasty. Oh, those are my burn subjects. A minute may be a bit too much. 2, 1, 0. And they're dead. They're dead. They're dead, guys. This one split open halfway, and they grew really fat. They have died. Now here's what you must do. Oh, this one split open a little bit too. Here's what you must do. You must try a nibble. I mean, they're just melted marshmallows. It's like microwaving a couple marshmallows. So I don't like marshmallows, as everybody here knows. So, don't burn yourself, but pull a piece off. Melted. Just take the plate, shove it in your face, and take a bite. Just like. What the heck? Use your hands. How's it taste? Does it taste like melted marshmallow?
It tastes like roasted marshmallows over a fire.
So it actually tastes good? Like, would you heat them up and cook them like that to eat them? Put them on a graham cracker with some.
Oh yeah.
With some Hershey's chocolate.
Yeah.
Hot and hashtag not sponsored by Hershey's. Well, I definitely don't do that. So this is Camera Girl, and she says goodbye to you, lovely people. This has been our 3 experiments. Well, my 3 experiments. Though we bought them. I bought them. I bought 9 packs of Peeps to experiments with. So if you guys have any ideas on experiments we can do with Peeps that are low budget, like these, like I said, the Peeps were 10 cents a box, and there's still 3 left, which means, how many are there in a thing? 10? I think, yeah, 10 chicks. That means it is 1 cent per chick. We used 7 cents. And $1 for the lighter. We didn't use the whole lighter, we can reuse it. So 10 cents. 10 cents. Water was water bill. So 10 cents. If you got any budgets, just let me know. Any budgeted ideas for Peeps, let me know, and I'll try to do them in the next video. Whoa, that lighting. Alright, well, thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So, peace out.